Okay, when we will connect MetaMask, simply we will come. There's a file explorer. There's deploy Solidity compiler or any deploy. For deploy, we will come. There's the arrow or logo for deploy. We will come here and select the. There's all are for test uh, for testing purposes, which will not test network, only for on Solidity testing. So we will deploy on testnet. We will connect the wallet. So we will get wallet connection, then MetaMask. So the MetaMask will be connecting soon. Why not come MetaMask? Okay, there is MetaMask. So okay, I will give the password. So then I will deploy, simply deploy. That is when I click to deploy. When I confirm, I have not enough. Okay, I have test gas fee or anything, because the Ethereum will charge when we will deploy the smart contract, charge the gas fees. So I have the gas fee, so I confirm in the deployation. So the pending, when the deployation is confirmed, then simply will use the smart contract. So okay, that will confirm. So then we can use that smart contract. For integration, we will copy the ABI code. Here is ABI code. We will just come and this we will paste the ABI. So then we will put other private key or Infura to connect with the smart contract, front end and smart contract. This is the integration. So we will just connect smart contract with front end. So Infura are required, URL of Infura, smart contract address, then this is ABI are required. These three things are required: ABI, smart contract, this is the contract address, and wallet private key. Okay, thank you very much for listening my video.